Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error when you try to record some video on your iPhone and it records without sound. So how you can fix it? So first thing you need to try is just to swipe up and just turn off Bluetooth, because your Bluetooth can be connected to some Bluetooth devices and just send sound to the devices, and that's why he records without sound. So just turn off here Bluetooth and just try to open camera and just record your video. So also, if it doesn't help you can try another way. It's to go to just swipe up again and just turn on airplane mode, just wait some time and just turn off airplane mode again. So sometimes it helps. Also, you can try to go to the settings, and in the settings you find general, and in the general you need to find shutdown, so just click on shutdown and just restore your device. Also, another thing you can try is to make hard reset on your phone, so just keep holding power and low volume button, but it's in iPhone 7. If you have another model of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to enter to get to make hard reset on your phone. So just find that information. Also, the latest thing you can try is just go to the general again and just find here reset and just try to reset all the settings. So just keep click here on reset all settings and just try it. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.